Hey, I'm KFC. Spend the day with me to go to the beach. Please like and subscribe. Most important thing to do.
Cry for me, boom, boom, boom. Them call me mama heavy. Boom, Bobby gun me lick a flat belly. Young and healthy, me not done like. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 I'll never let you go.
Here you have a little park.
I'll never let you go. Yellow diamonds in the light.
There's a pretty car, yes. Me hear a wall me down like literally. So let's see. Switch. Back again. So I got a juice which name fruity or something like that, I guess. And yeah. My brother is behind me. And we're here beside a house, big house. Cars. They get rid of good stuff. So basically we're almost reached, but it's like this is the part where we're going to walk. So here's my in short. Here's other friends. You like my nails cut? This is houses. This is a little house. And they have another one where basically I don't know if it's that because I'm using here, but we have a highway part right here where cars and all those things. So basically we're right at the stoplight where you have to press a button to tell them that you're walking past. Spend the day with me to go to the beach. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, please.
When you put your body on mine. Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glorified, glorifying in all these foreigns. Back to future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling